Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, December 21st. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Really quiet trade. Soybeans probably the biggest mover on the day, being up 6 cents at one point, coming to steady, closing up a penny on the day. And so when I say that's the biggest mover in a 6 cent trading range, that's really what it looked like today in these markets. You just didn't have a whole lot of movement. Corn was anywhere from down 1 to down 3, and the wheat market was mixed. So Minneapolis, for the most part, was able to hold steady up a penny or two, and then the Chicago wheat and Kansas City wheat steady to down a couple pennies there. There's no real new news. You know that there's some precip coming in for Argentina. That should be really the driving force for soybeans if there is a lot of downside. But right now, technical targets are really holding true for soybeans. So that level of support right now, $10. You held $10.20 for quite some time, weren't able to really break through it, broke through it, and now you're really struggling to get through that $10 mark as well. And so that's offering some support into these soybeans. Fundamentally, nothing's really changed here. You're not going to get any new set of news until January 12th or out of South America. So you could get some weather news out of there, as it's kind of important weather time for them. Over into the meat market, some strength came through to live cattle and feeder cattle. Lean hogs were lower to start the day off, then came up about 60 cents after having a very negative day yesterday. And outside markets, extremely quiet, with the dollar being a little bit lower, working its way back, but the Dow being up about 5 points. It looks like there are a lot of people waiting to be sellers at that 20,000 point mark. You're about 100 points shy of it right now, and so it looks like some stiff selling pressure is coming in there as well. Before you can really reach that point. It's just not getting anywhere here lately. Other than that, what you're going to be looking at is tomorrow is export sales, and then moving forward, Friday, cattle on feed. Actually, during trading hours, it's been a while since we've had one of those due to the holiday season, so that'll offer some news during the market, and you'll be sure to see some movers here in the meat market on Friday. And export sales tomorrow should offer some support or resistance here for the grains. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.